Welcome back to Campus Tech. Do you want to see what is inside the Apple cell phone battery, the lithium battery? You want to see what is inside? So I have the one battery for you. Look at this. So this battery. Look at this, how Apple made the battery. Those are almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 15-20 layers. And there's a connector which is broken right now. But let's open this and see what is inside. Look at this. This looks like the aluminum, but that's actually the lithium. And every layer has, you can see this, every layer has this thing which is actually conducting which is storing all charging thing, and every layer are separate from the other one. Look at this. And then they use a little plastic here. I don't know which material they use, but this kind of plastic, you can hear the sound also. So every layer is kind of separate, but look at this. So that's how it is. So these all layers are actually connecting to this thing. So these all layers are connected to here, see, and then there is, look at this, this is the main connector which has a micro soldering right there, you can see. And if we remove this thing, you can see a lot of layers. So look at this. So when you connect, so these all layers goes to this connector, and this connector covered by this tape, which is and one more connector is right there. Look at this, which is going right thing. If you look this battery, so this thing actually right here, you can see. So let's remove this thing too and see what is inside. It's kind of more, yeah, it's a solder. Look at this, all layers are connecting. Even there is a bunch, there is 2 sets of layers. Look at this, these are 2 connectors, one is this and one is this, so which means it has a couple of connectors, and one also, this is one separate thing. So let's remove the top layer and see. So look at this, it's gone out. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. If you like that video, thumbs up.